Engine stalling. Engine stalling can stem from various issues, broadly categorized into fuel, ignition, air intake, and mechanical problems, including issues with the fuel system, ignition system, air intake, sensors, or even transmission problems. To address engine stalling, focus on proper clutch and throttle coordination, ensuring smooth and gradual movements when pulling away and in traffic, and addressing potential mechanical issues like fuel delivery problems or sensor malfunctions. Here's a more detailed explanation. 1. Driving technique. Smooth clutch release. When moving off, release the clutch gradually and simultaneously apply gentle pressure to the accelerator pedal. Avoid overrunning. Don't overrun engine. 2. Here's a more detailed breakdown of potential causes. Fuel system issues. Low fuel pressure. Insufficient fuel pressure can starve the engine, leading to stalling. Clogged fuel filter. A blocked fuel filter restricts fuel flow. 1. To solve engine stalling, address potential issues with fuel delivery, fuel filter, injectors, pump, ignition, spark plugs, ignition coil, or sensors, MAF, O2, that could be sending incorrect data to the engine control unit, ECU. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Fuel system issues. Fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter can restrict fuel flow, leading to stalling, especially at idle or under load. Replace the filter regularly as part of routine maintenance. To solve engine stalling, address potential causes like a faulty fuel system, ignition issues, or sensor problems, and consider professional diagnosis and repair if needed. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Identify potential causes. Fuel system issues. Dirty or clogged fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter can restrict fuel flow, leading to stalling. Faulty fuel pump. A failing fuel pump may not deliver enough fuel to the engine. Dirty or faulty fuel injectors. Dirty or dam. Vacuum leaks. A vacuum leak in the intake manifold can cause an incorrect air-fuel mixture, leading to stalling. Solution. Inspect the intake manifold for cracks or loose connections and repair or replace as needed. 2. Sensor problems. Oxygen sensor, O2 sensor. A faulty O2 sensor can send incorrect data to the engine control unit, ECU, leading to an incorrect air-fuel mixture and stalling. Solution. Inspect and replace the O2 sensor if necessary. Throttle position sensor, TPS, a faulty TP. Crankshaft position sensor problems. A faulty crankshaft position sensor can prevent engine from starting or housing it to stall. Other potential causes. Air leaks in the intake system. Air leaks can cause the engine to run rough, leading to stalling. Vacuum leaks. Vacuum can cause the engine to run rough and stall. A weak or failing battery. A weak battery may not provide enough power to state the engine or keep it running. Dirty throttle body. A dirty throttle body can restrict air housing, rough idling and stalling. 2. Diagnostic steps. Check for check engine light, CL. If the CEL is on, use a code reader to identify any trouble code. Inspect fuel system components. Check the spark plugs, ignition coils, and distributor, if applicable. Inspect sensors. Check the oxygen sensor, throttle position sensor, and crankshaft position sensor. Look for air leaks. Inspect the intake system vacuum hoses for any leaked, stressing the problem. Clean or replace fuel system. Housing rough idling and stalling, stressing the problem. Clean or replace fuel system. Components. Clean or replace the fuel filter, fuel pump, and fuel injection as needed. Replace ignition system components. Replace any faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, and distributors. Relace or repair sensors. Replace or repair any faulty sensors. Repair air leaks. Repair any air leaks in the intake system or vacuum hoses. Professional diagnosis band repair, if you are unable to identify or repair the problems, seek professional help from a qualified mechanic. Preventive maintenance. To prevent engine stalls, prioritize regular maintenance, including oil changes, filter replacements, air, fuel, and cabin, and spark plug inspections, while also monitoring fluid levels and fuel quality. Here's a more detailed breakdown of preventative maintenance to avoid engine stalls. 1. Regular maintenance schedule. Oil changes. Follow the manufacturer's recommended intervals for oil changes to ensure proper lubrication and prevent engine wear. Filter replacements. Replace Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule to keep vehicle in good condition. Clean fuel system. Use fuel system cleaners regularly to help keep fuel injectors and other fuel systems components clean. Check and replace filters. Regularly check and replace the fuel filter and air filters. Keep your engine oil clean. Change engine oil regularly to prevent buildup of slugs and other components. Drive safely. Avoid driving a low fuel level as these can cause the fuel pump to overheat and fail. If you are experiencing engine stalling, it is important to address the problem properly to avoid further damage to your vehicle.
Please. And thank you
for watching.